Hello, my name is Aidan McCarthy, and I will be describing the loss of simultaneity and the rear clock ahead effect as demonstrated by the train tunnel paradox. But first, a quick review of some important concepts in special relativity. As an object moves at a speed v, its length becomes contracted by a factor of gamma, where gamma is 1 over the square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared. C is the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, which is the same in all inertial reference frames. Okay, so imagine we have a train of length 2,000 meters moving at a speed of 0.866 c towards a tunnel length 3,000 meters, and a person in the tunnel frame can close two doors simultaneously and then they reopen instantly. Okay, well, in the frame of the tunnel, the car is contracted by a factor of 1/2, so it easily fits inside the tunnel when both doors close. Alright, but if we consider the frame of the train, the tunnel is in fact contracted to 1,500 meters and the train car does not fit when the door is closed. So, does the train get chopped or not? According to physics, we know that what is observed in one reference frame must be what is observed in the other reference frame. So how do we resolve this? In fact, there is a way to resolve this. If we consider a light in a train car, the time the light takes to hit the front and the back of the train car is the same in the train's frame. But in the frame of someone outside the train, and the train's moving, the light hits the back before it hits the front, because C is the same in all inertial reference frames. This event happens before this event at a time difference of LV over c squared, where L is the length. Okay, so applying this to the math of our problem, we do the time difference is equal to 3,000 meter tunnel length times 0.866 c divided by c squared. This is 8.66 times 10 to the negative 6 seconds. Okay, so multiplying this time by velocity, we get 2,250 meters. So that means that the train moves from left to right, and the first door closes when the train is partially inside. But then when the second door closes, it's 2,250 meters to the right, and therefore does not get cut in parts in either reference frame. Therefore, the rear clock ahead effect resolves the train tunnel paradox. Congratulations, you have made your first step into special relativity.